How to understand English movies without subtitles. Welcome to our English movie understanding training. To help learners understand spoken English in movies, to provide strategies for improving listening skills, to encourage daily practice for language improvement, to build confidence in understanding everyday English expressions. Here are the essential steps to boost your movie comprehension. Start with simple films to build your confidence and understanding. How to choose. Select animated or family films that are easier to follow. Action. Begin with easier content to enhance listening skills. Subtitles in English help connect spoken and written language effectively. How to implement. Use English subtitles to reinforce learning and comprehension. Action. Avoid subtitles in your native language to ensure better grasp. Focus on brief clips to strengthen understanding. How to proceed. Watch short scenes and replay as needed for better retention. Action. Break down movies into manageable parts for easy learning. Shadowing improves pronunciation and comprehension. How to practice. Listen and repeat phrases to mimic actors' delivery. Action. Emulate actors to develop listening and speaking simultaneously. Familiarize yourself with common phrases for better understanding. How to learn. Focus on frequently used expressions in daily conversations. Action. Incorporate these phrases into your vocabulary for fluency. Understanding context is key to grasping film narratives. How to focus. Don't let new words distract. Focus on the scene's message. Action. Learn to deduce meaning from context rather than translations. Consistency is vital for progress in language skills. How to practice. Dedicate time each day to listening exercises. Action. Build listening habits that yield long-term results. Select simply made movies for practice. Employ English subtitles to connect words. Focus on short segments for clarity. Repeat dialogues to enhance speech. Learn everyday phrases for fluent dialogue. Concentrate on context over vocabulary details. Practice consistently for significant improvement. Please comment on your favorite English movie or show and like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for participating in our Language Nerds training. Let's explore real-world examples to reinforce what we learned. Rahul struggled to understand a superhero movie in English. What should he do first? Pause and reflect. Start with a more manageable clip. His action should be: shift to short scenes to gradually build comprehension. Imagine receiving a movie recommendation to try out. What steps should you take? Pause and consider. Check if the movie aligns with your current skill level. If it fits, take notes on expressions or scenes for better learning. Select simply made movies for practice. Employ English subtitles to connect words. Focus on short segments for clarity. Repeat dialogues to enhance speech. Learn everyday phrases for fluent dialogue. Concentrate on context over vocabulary details. Practice consistently for significant improvement. Please comment on your favorite English movie or show and like, share, and subscribe for more lessons. Thank you for participating in our Language Nerds training.